video tutorial to explain how to use drama activities in the lesson plan. In this video, it is going to be explained how drama activities were integrated into a drama-based lesson. Target audience and context is A1, class size is 20 to 30, class length is 45 minutes, and the topic is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Warm-up. Frozen picture. Students are divided in pairs or groups of 3. They must make a scene from their favorite fairy tale. Everybody needs to know what role they are in. If a teacher touches their shoulder, they have to say what their character would say in a story. Warm-up. Guessing. Before playing the YouTube video, the teacher lets the students know they will be watching a fairy tale. Each student must guess which one it will be. Main task. Drama activities for key vocabulary. Students watch the video on YouTube. While they are watching, they must count all the characters in the story. They also make a list of all the characters. Students read the story, make 4 to 5 drawings, and retell the story. Post-task, focus on form. Students are divided into groups of 4 and must make their own drawing of a certain scene in the story. For instance, the scene where the stepmother is talking to the magic mirror, or the scene where Snow White meets the dwarfs for the first time. Students are encouraged to make the drawings as detailed as possible. They present their work to the class. The other students need to count all the different things in the drawings. Post-task transition. Students act out their chosen scene with a simple dialogue. Each student should say at least one sentence.